What's going on, everyone? It's Flex and Joe from the Vulcan trading community, and today I'm going to discuss a Tesla Puts play that I took where the contracts went over $400, over 100% gain in less than 30 minutes. So let's jump right into it. You can see I have this area marked here where I was looking to see if it was going to get respected or if we were going to knife through it and then retest it for a flush lower, right? So you can see that we knife through this area. We'll zoom in, and once we knife through this area, we come back and we are retesting it, and we have additional confluences of the 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, right? So the 9 is below the 20, that's bearish. We also have the 10-minute 200 EMA right here, the yellow line, and then you can also see that the candle structure does not lead me to believe that we are going to move back to the highs or move any higher, because the bulls are not regaining control after they had put in the low of day. It just sort of is slowly trickling its way back up with no real sense of strength. One other thing you can do is you could have drawn a fib from the high of day to the low of day, and what you would have seen right in here was a golden zone retracement, a golden zone rejection before the move lower. So I entered into the puts here, risking above this candle's high. I would have waited for the 10-minute candle to close up here before stopping. And you can see this trade moved very, very quickly. Was scaling out for 100, 200, 250, and then $400 per contract before hitting the trail stop of $245 a con right over here. If we jump over to the options contract chart, what you can see here is this is exactly where my entry is, and this did move up very, very quickly. Within that first 10-minute candle that I entered in on, we were up $300 per contract. It was a very, very fast trade. I scaled out here, as this is an area where I would be looking for potential sellers to step in, right? This was where we closed 2 days prior, and you can see that we had gapped down on this options contract chart. So I knew it was an important place to scale. It pushed up. Of course, it hits the 10-minute 200 on the options contract chart, which is sometimes a key area before it comes down and hits me out here for the trail stop at 245 a con. And so that's the trade right there, over $400 a contract in less than 30 minutes. If you would like to learn more about trades like these, please go to the link in the bio, join the Vulcan trading community, and let's start growing together.